So you're welcome back. So this is we want to talk about fee management. So we just talked about in our previous video, we talked about results management. So in this video, we're talking about fee management. So how the admin can manage fee payment, tuition fee payment. So any for each term, so it is very important at the beginning of the term that the admin comes to the fee structure to set um, school tuition fee for each classes or for each student. So when you go to fee structure, you select class, let's say SS2, select the term, section 2025, 2026, select the student type, is it new student, is it returning student, select the student type, if it is new student, if it is returning student, select returning student, then select the amount. So you can just, let's say you want the class of the student in class SS2 to be paying 50,000 for third term. So add the free structure. So this will automatically reflect in the student page. To automatically reflect in the student page this 50,000 as a deficit. So it's until when the student has made the payment that is when it will show declared that the student is no longer owing this particular tuition fee. So that's how to add tuition fee for each classes. So for under fee management, so any student that wants to make payments, so like I said that the account details is reflecting in the student portal. So the account details is account name, the account type, and the purpose of the payment. So the admin can just come to this particular fee payment after a student has made payment and the school has confirmed the payment. So the student will bring the teller to the admin of the school, either to the bursar or the admin. So the bursar will come to this fee payment button here, click on it, then we enter the payment. First and foremost, enter student reg number to fetch the student in particular. So this is the name of the student, Joshua Okechukwu, the SS1. So select the type, okay, is a returning student, and you select the term, third term, select the section, 2025, 2026, the amount, 50,000 naira. So 50,000 naira. So teller number, so the number of the teller, you put it here, then you save payment. So once you save this payment, it will automatically, okay, say fee structure not found, please define it first. So I didn't actually set for this particular section. So I didn't set for this particular section. That's why it's saying that. But that's just the method of entering any payment, of entering any school fees. So once you save the payment, it automatically credit the student on the student portal. So which shows that the student is no longer owing that particular fee. So the admin can also track student fee by going to um, outstanding fee. So you can go to outstanding fee, then you track student fee, student who are still owing. So to list all the students who are still owing in this format, in this method, by showing the reg number, the name of the student, the class, the term, the section, the amount paid, the balance. So then the software also has under this you can view payment history. The admin can view payment history. The admin can view payment history of all the students that made payments. So you can just can play around with. So that's that on student fee management. So let me quickly go to manage expenses. The admin can also manage expenses of the school. So these are the expenses. okay, who are you paying the money to? So maybe the school wants to buy a marker or wants to buy one thing or the other running cost. So you can manage it here, pay for you tell us whatever you want the money to be used for, how much, and the phone number of the person that is collecting the money, and submit for approval. So that's that for that. So we have a lot of features. So then let me quickly go to okay, this pending expense is not really needed. It's not. So let me go to upload lesson plan. The admin can upload lesson plan as well for each subject. So the lesson plan will reflect in the teacher's portal. So it is the teachers that will make use of lesson plan. So that's that on lesson plan. So you have roles and permission. The admin can set roles, can set permission for each levels of staff. So we have staff and their classes. Then we also have staff and their subjects. So staff, you click on staff, which list all the staff. Like I said, we have just 3 staff because this is just a demo. So the admin can add new staff. If you want to add new staff, just click on this green button at the top right corner. So once I click on it, I'll fill all this necessary information, upload picture, username, password, the full name of the staff, all the information of the staff. So click on this row is very important. The admin can, you know, add multiple admin, class teacher, super admin. You can set the role as either student or subject teacher, exam officer, and so on and so forth. So that's that on how to enroll new staff under staff management. So the admin can assign staff to their teachers to their classes. The admin can assign teachers to their subjects because in a school where we have subject teachers and we have class teachers, so it's very important. So when I click on class, I want to assign a teacher to their class. So um, select this particular class teacher, and then select the class I want to assign it to. Select. So because teacher has been assigned to GSS2 Spring third term, and so that's how to. So any changes you make here, you will reflect here. So that's how to assign. So the same thing follows on how to assign teachers to their subjects. How to assign teachers to their subject. So the admin can reset password. The admin can reset password for either the staff or the students. So by just entering the reg number or username, then new password that wants to be put. The admin can also generate contacts. The admin can generate contacts for students, guidance contacts, so or staff contacts. So that's just everything about the overview of the admin portal, the admin panel. So we are working on adding another features, some number of features like ID card generator, bulk SMS, sending of bulk SMS, a lot of features, um, 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 a lot of features that will be added. So not just bulk SMS, we adding e-learning management as well. So the software is actually a very good software, and we have a very good track record. We've got over currently 50 schools that are currently using our software without any issues. Uh, so if there's any question on how to use the software aside of what we've discussed so far in this video, so you can always let us know. Thank you very much for watching.